Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case becoming a the channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, share and comment. To you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your support, okay? So guys, help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month, alright? Help me get to 500 subscribers. Share my video to your friends, share it with your family members. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this sweet coconut fried rice you're seeing here. This is not a fried rice you just want to imagine, okay? This is something that you would love to try. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this sweet delicious coconut fried rice. For the full ingredients of this fried rice, please guys check the description box, okay? I'll be listing it there. So guys, I will start by adding in oil into the pan. Then I'll allow the oil to heat up, okay? Once the oil has heated up, I'll add going into my onion. I'll add in my garlic. Add fry. I'll add in my curry powder. And my thyme. I'll give this a good stir. I'll add in my pepper. This cotton, I will stir. I'll add my seasoning. I'll add in my salt and I will stir this. So guys, I'll go in with my rice now. Toss this around. I will make sure that all the ingredients match. So guys, now I will add in my coconut milk. I'll add in my chicken stock. This is okay. I'm going to give this a stir. Then I'll cover it. I'm not going to be stirring it again. Then I will cover and let it cook. Let's check on our rice. See how it cooks. Our water is almost dried up. I'm going to test this rice and see if it is cooked. So that I'm going to be adding the remaining of our chicken stock now. Cook this rice very well. Our rice is now well cooked. I'll add in our chicken stock. I'll cover it and let it cook. So guys, let's check on our rice. Our rice is cooked. As you can see, do not forget to like this video. If you are enjoying this video, please help me to like it. So guys, let's start frying our chicken now. So guys, I'm going to start by adding in onion to our pan. I'll let this heat up. So guys, I'll add in garlic before we introduce our rice. So guys, you're watching me up to this point. I have not subscribed to my channel. I don't know what the problem is. Okay, sorry, you don't have any problem. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month. Thank you so much, guys. So keep watching, keep watching. So guys, it's time to add now our flavor and fat. Then I'll add in my rice. Guys, I'm going in with my rice now. Already cooked rice. So I'm going to stir this around to make sure that all the veggies go around the rice. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I mean. Please try to do this in badges. I've already used my eye to measure it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please, if you enjoyed watching my video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Till I come here next time. Bye.